down upon the meadow green, and wait upon the wind to caress my skin. All of me as vulnerable as the day I was born, removing everything I've worn. My shoes sit side by side with the dress of indigo blue, a mound of colorful hues, undergarments tossed so carelessly about. Wriggling toes point skyward as a little shout of delight escapes throat and lips, while gentle fingertips tangle with the daisy. Immersed in golden rays, deliciously slow and lazy, sunshine warms my belly. A ladybug strolls across my breast, while through a slit of the eyelid I see a dragonfly rushing by. My legs go soft and loose, arms flung above my head. Freed from fear and dread, my spirit lifts and soars. Far above the clouds I dance, lost in a cosmic romance.